What is happening? How is my wife?
Okoli, you're welcome. Please sit down.
Doctor, please don't bother about my sitting down. Talk to me. And I ask you again, how is my wife?
Okoli, the operation went successfully. And your wife gave birth to a bouncing baby girl.
Bouncing baby girl? Then what next? Talk to me, doctor. Please.
After the operation, she started bleeding. And we tried all we could to control the bleeding. But it was too much. And
Doctor, talk to me, you're not talking again. Please talk to me, what happened?
we lost her. Sorry.
What is the meaning of that?
What I mean is she's dead. Sorry.
She's dead.
Yes.
She's dead. Doctor, is there two different types of death? Because as far as I know, death means that person is gone and gone forever. Is that what you meant?
Yes. She's gone. And gone forever. I'm sorry. Please take her. Sorry.
No, my wife cannot just die like that. No. No.
Please, I'm sorry.
No. No, doctor.
Mr. Okoro, please.
No.
What?
No.
Mr. Okoro?
No.
Hello?
No. No.
Mr. Okoro, please. No. Mr. Okoro, excuse me. Nurse! Nurse! Nurse Nkechi! Come here.
That was how your father, my son, and your mother died after giving birth to you. Tika, I took the responsibility of bringing you up to this stage myself. And you think that what the best way to pay me is to get pregnant out of wedlock, Chika or Atizima? Chika, hey! Chika, so you were 5 foot pregnant in this house and I don't know. You were pregnant before I left for Mugo. Chika or Atizima?
I am sorry, Mama. I made a mistake. I am sorry.
You said mistake. Chika, you said mistake. Chika, you said mistake. You made a mistake. Hey. By the way, who got you pregnant?
Basil.
Basil. Basil. Who is Basil? Who is Basil?
The teacher at Mazudeko's compound.
Hey. Oh, boy, Jobia. Chika. Ibuhem. Chika, the stranger. Hey.
Mama, I'm sorry, please. Sorry.
Chika, have you told him?
I went to his place to see him, but the trouble is not around.
He's not around.
Yes, Mama.
He's not around. He must have come back by now. By now, I cannot go. Chika, take me to his house. Take me to his house. Take me to his house, oh. Hey, Mama.
Mama, Mama, I'm sorry before
Chika.
Mama, be good.
No problem. You are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
This one you came with your daughter to my house this evening. I hope there's no problem.
We came to see your tenant. Onyenkuzi.
You mean Bassi? Bassi has traveled. Oh. He has been transferred since 3 months ago.
Hey.
He doesn't live here again. Oh.
Hey.
Any problem?
You said he has been transferred.
Yes.
Okay. Nai, transferred to where, or do you know where he's from?
No, I don't know where he's from. He came here and said that he's a teacher. So I was looking for a room. So I have one room in my house. He paid me and I gave him the key to one room. And he was living here until now that he's transferred. He traveled. All he told me was that he's from Enugu State. I don't know any other thing about him.
Chika, let us speak.
I hope there's no problem. But this girl is pregnant too. Bassi cannot do this type of thing. I know him. But come on. How come this pregnancy?
Yeah, Chika. Get that seat. Chika.
Mama.
Come and sit down.
Huh?
I said come and sit down.
Mama.
Chika. Now listen and listen attentively. On no account should you tell anyone who is responsible for this pregnancy. Can't see where.
But Mama, why?
Reasons best known to me. The most important thing is keeping what I told you to yourself. Or do I need to repeat myself? I should repeat myself?
No, Mama, but Mama, it's already late. My friend Josephine and your friend Ulako already knows about it.
Oh. Okay. No problem. I'll think of what to do. Enolia, go inside. Go inside.
Mama. My God. So, she is my grandmother. Hi. My mother. My mother. Wherever you are, may your soul rest in peace. Mother, wherever you are, may your soul rest in peace. Jim. Hey. Hey.
Whatever you sow, you must reap back. No wicked, no go unpunished. In this life, no wicked shall go unpunished.
Ife,
Yes, Dad.
where is your sister?
Oh, she's in her room. She says she's not feeling fine.
What is wrong with her?
I don't know.
Uloma? 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 How are you, my lovely daughter?
Daddy, I'm not fine.
What is it?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I just don't know. Ever since you told me about the American trip, I don't know. I've not been myself. I've been so weak and confused.
It's okay. I know what is wrong with you. You know what? It's happening because you're going to miss us.
Daddy, no. That's not why. That's not why. It's not like, no.
It's okay. It's okay. You go and dress up. I'll take you out now.
Dad, what about me?
My friend, read your book. You dress up fast, okay? When is your turn, I will take you out.
Okay, it's because I'm not the one traveling to America.
So what am I going to buy for you if I'm coming back?
Ice cream, chicken, hot dog.
My boy. What's going on? How are you? Yeah. How are you? You're not feeling fine. What's wrong with you?
Don't mind her. She's already missing us.
You're sure you're feeling some type of way? Anyway, I bought you something to lighten your mood. Things you will like. Something that will raise up your spirits. Just don't worry. By the time you see these things I bought for you now, you will start feeling better. Ne? Hey. Ta-da! Ice cream. Juice. Apple. Don't worry, you will like it. There are lots of other things in the bag. You will feel better.
No, I didn't see. Please, Mama, Mommy, what is all this? I didn't ask for it. In fact, I'm not eating it. I'm not hungry, please.
Hey, come on. Eat something. Eat something, please. Do you know how much your mommy spent in buying all these things?
I know. But I don't like the way people have been lavishing money on me these days. Besides, you people should have used this money for other more important things. I didn't even ask for all this, please.
Maybe It's because the ice cream is not blocked. Hmm? Let me go inside and put it inside the fridge.
I don't care if the ice cream is blocked or not. I just don't want. If Ifechuku wants it, you can give him. As far as for me, I don't want. Please.
Dad, Oluma is right. You people spend money all these days on her. Just because she's going to America. Me, I don't understand.
Yes. Eh? Are you jealous of your sister going to America?
No.
No.
I'm not jealous. How can I be jealous of her?
If I slap you now, eh? Eh?
Sorry.
Please excuse me. Just
Yeah, if this one are just wasting your money.
See, if I blow you now, you just less.
Me, I
I don't blame you. It's all the akamu I've given to you to drink. Look at how fat you are, like a bouncing ball. Unyala. What's happening? What's going on?
I think she's feeling something. This is unlike her.
Mom, this is not good though. It's not good. It's not sending a good signal.
Why are you here all alone? Why am I crying?
Ife, honestly, I don't know what's happening to me. Ever since Dad told me about the American trip, I've not been myself. My mind just went off and I don't understand.
I don't understand too. What exactly is happening to you?
You will not understand. All I'm telling you is that your sister is dying in silence. Every single night I keep on having horrible nightmares. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's happening.
Honestly, I'm confused too.
I don't know if I should tell Dad that I'm calling off this American trip. Maybe I'll regain myself.
No. Please don't think about it. If you miss this opportunity, that Amon will never forgive you.
But I'm dying in silence. I can't continue like this if you please. Hey.
Okay. Uma, please let's go inside. You know you are traveling tomorrow. And we also pray about it.
Okay.
And let's go.
Okay.
Yes, Dad.
Mama. Why are you guys not eating your food? Okay.
Yes, Dad.
Solomon,
Yes, Dad.
why are you guys not eating your food?
Dad, Oma says she don't want to eat. And me too. I don't want to eat. I'm beginning to feel the way she's feeling. I suggest we cancel this trip to America. Because I'm suspecting danger.
Danger? How?
Accident or plane crash.
Ife, this is your sister. And she's about to travel. We should be encouraging her, not discouraging her.
Or even praying for her to get to America safely. That's what you ought to be doing. Eat, oh? If you see the way I was sweating inside the kitchen when I was preparing this food, I took my time to prepare this meal. I prepared this last supper so that you can eat.
Last what?
What she meant is that, when you get to America,
yes,
you might not eat this kind of food again. America is too far. It's not something you walk to the backyard and come back. So this is homemade food. The last supper with us before you travel to America.
What you'll be eating is burger, chicken. Easy bone. Oh?
That is what you're.
Oh, yo. What eat, eh?
2, 3.
Good girl. Ne, ntara gi juice.
When you say last supper, she thought it's Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. These children, eh? You will not close your mouth. You're the only one that's always having opinion about everything. Eh? Eat!
1, 2, ready, go!
The Lord will be with you.
My sister, please, when you get to America, please concentrate on your studies so that you don't bring shame to our family. Okay?
I will miss you.
I miss you too.
The great end of this life.
I miss you.
It's not
Come on, let's go.
But your actions, which you took, would not commit to go.
Fast car, my son. Now pick up the knife. Now untie her. You will speak in your mind whatsoever you desire Ajala to do for you. After which you roll the knife over her head 7 times and then stab her.
What? You mean I should?
Stab her, yes, because you will drink her blood.
Please, it's evil. Daddy, why are you doing this to me? Is your lovely daughter that you are? Daddy, is this the America you told me I was going to? Daddy, remember all those things, Daddy. Please, don't do this, please.
I can't do this. Say no more.
I can do this, please. I can do.
Say no more.
Say no more and do as you are told. Stop her.
Hey.
Stop her.
After you, what is it?
Mommy, please, we need to pray. I'm not sure Oluma and Daddy are safe.
How do you mean?
Mommy, there was this feeling I had when I was sleeping that made me to run into your room. Mommy, please, we need to pray. We need to pray.
Fechi, calm down, alright? Your father and your sister are doing great. There is nothing wrong with them. Alright? Now go back to your room and sleep.
Mommy, I can't. I'm afraid.
Okay, I think I know what the problem is. You're missing your sister because she's no longer here. And you don't want to sleep alone in the room, is that it?
No.
You know what? It's alright. Come over here.
Bridget, what is happening? Nobody heard from you and your husband again about the campaign. Does it mean you people have backed up the contest? Because Ugobweze and her husband had used their money and blocked everywhere. I wonder how your husband will challenge him this time. From the way things are, Chief Mbamalo will be the next Igwe of this kingdom. And his wife will become the next queen of Izira kingdom.
Agnes, respect yourself. Which one is Chief Mbamalu will become the king of this kingdom? Cherino, just calm down. Be patient with me. By the time things start unfolding, you will know that Chief Mbamalu and his wife, Ugobweze, are noisemakers. They are nothing but empty drums. Everywhere. Just calm down.
Bridget, it's like you don't understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is that the election date is in next 10 days to come. And you are here telling me nothing is happening. When time comes, it will change. Under how many days?
Agi,
Bridget.
whose side are you on?
Bridget.
Whose side are you on?
Bridget, I'm on your side.
Aha.
Whether money or no money.
Thank you.
But my problem here is other women.
Other women? Happy other women. Just wait for my husband to come back. My husband has gone to America with our daughter because he wants her to study abroad. By the time my husband lands, in this kingdom, even you get changed. Okay, for this your color, you can not tap purple. I am just wait for my husband to come back from America. Things will start unfolding.
Wait. Bridget, you mean your daughter is in America and your husband took her there?
I don't understand. Is it a crime for my daughter to study abroad? The people that their daughters are abroad, do they have 2 heads or 10 heads? My daughter is in America studying.
Ha! Bridget, you are confusing me. I'm not
You don't need to be confused, though. Just calm down. Like I said, when my husband comes back, I will surprise you. Even the women of Izira Kingdom, I will surprise all of you. By the time we open chapter 1 to 10, you got money if any. What's the video? One champagne, like Clicquot, rosé. Calm down. I am telling you that things are going to unfold. I know I don't need to talk too much. The next queen of this land is not supposed to be talking too much. You know how queenly behavior now. Nebiko, let me go and get you something to drink. Oh? Bridge. Bridge. Eh? I will monitor Bridge. Say queen. No. Call me the queen. Ne say queen. No. Bridge. 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 Call me queen. Let me get you something to drink. Bridge.
My honorable cheerleader, the queen of Ezra Kingdom to be. My international cheerleader. Oh, how are you today? I'm good, my dear. I'm good. And I hope you are getting ready because it remains only 10 days. Yeah, Irinu, Nani boy. Kagina digi megini. Mount one cheza.
Oh, my everything. I am as ready as now.
Woo, 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 woo.
Sit down for any trumpet.
Queen,
I'm good to go.
I
am good to go.
I know you. I know what you can do.
I learned that stupid Pascal has run out of this community. I thought you want to compete with my husband. You should come now. Useless boy. And his stupid wife, wretched wife, that smelling thing. You know the other day, I just, because you know when you know that was
how? My queen.
So the other day when I saw her out of the splash water, she was bath.
You did?
Yes, I did. Yes. Free water. Let them come and compete with me and my husband. Let them come and compete with us. Who are they? Eh?
Ugobeze one. Oburu okwu niile ka a na-ekwu ekwu. Allow those working cops to bury themselves. That money you give to me to share to those women, I've shared it to them. And they were like, hey! Ugobeze, Jebego! Ugobeze, Ugo. That place was hot. That is it. You are already there. I don't balance it off, man. I really be fair. I don't forget them.
My able cheerleader. My honorable cheerleader. What could I have done without you? That's why I'm always counting on you.
Tatao! Queen,
you know this is a beautiful face. I need to clean it. Just hold on.
I agree.
Let me get to the big one. This is the summer. For a job well done.
Ugobeze one.
And like honesty.
My queen. Gaba. No, you are there already.
Thank you, my dear friend. You see, like I always tell you, where this one came from, there are more. Yes. Just keep doing this good work.
I will.
I'll continue to clean this your face.
I will.
You see, by the time I finally become the Lolo of this great community,
oh. Abroad. Yeah. Wait till abroad God. Hi! Nenu. My queen. My honorable queen. You know about him. I see by the time you're already there now. I didn't want to talk.
Thank you.
Hey!
Because let me run along. Commission.
Hey! My queen! Ugo is the one.
My honorable
Garum Niru.
My international cheerleader.
Oh, where if I menu?
My able chair.
Oh, where is your menu? You already there. Ungwanemo. Can I do me a commissioner? Eh? Can I do me a Ungwan?
Money they buy conscience. You don't see a money don't buy determination. Buy the conscience, buy everything. Jay, you don't see it.
Bueno! Yeah! Bueno! Yeah! Bueno! Yeah! I am so excited. In fact, I don't know how to describe the joy I have. But all of you are here. In fact, since we started this race, I count on the encouragements you have been with me through this journey. Encouraged me, supported me all the while. I can thank you. Yes. Even to the extent that my opponent is on the run. The young man is on the run because he cannot stand the shame of contesting with me His Royal Majesty, Igwemba Mano Ulora, one of the Zira Kingdom. I know that I'm already the Igwe, you see, because I have what it takes. I have the money, and with your support you have given me, I'm already there. And I want to assure you that you are not alone. Something must follow you. Our Igwe His Royal Majesty out in normal due process. Things will follow the normal due process. Oh, because it's a tradition. Oh no. I am so sorry. It's just a slip of tongue. It's a slip of tongue. You know, I am overwhelmed. I am excited. Because I know that the contest is a walk away. That's why I started seeing myself as Igwe, which I know. I should have said Igwe in view. Never mind. I'm a man of doings. You cannot leave this place without your pocket smiling. And after that the young man is on the run. What do you expect? If so I want you not to worry. I am personally solidly behind you. Forget about it. We are all behind you. I have the conviction inside me that soonest you will send that through. Yes. As His Royal Majesty, Igwe Mbamalu, one of Ezra Kingdom. Why you?
face must smile today.
Look at that smile. Oh. Really, my. Hello. Good, man. How do you do? That's no good. What can I do?
It would be a bad idea if you start calling me. It would be a bad idea.
They were insulted, they face and get money. Oh. They don't get money, money pass money. Oh. Okoli fun, fajiri we batego. They put a go, they got go. They were insulted, they face and get money. They don't get money, money pass money. Oh. Obodo sulukwo na belukwo profife. Take you and collect in the same. Obodo sulukwo na belukwo profife. Take you and collect in the same. Mana body big yo, getting card roisi, getting see the rock.
How?
Nothing is going on. I bought them. There is money now. Yes, I've arrived.
Please.
You cannot faint.
Let me go for
If you faint. No. If you faint, who is going to drive all these cars? Yeah?
You mean these are our cars?
Yes.
Who are these people?
They are my drivers.
Driver?
Yes.
Driver? Who come on?
Go ahead and make your choice. Give her the keys. Get the keys. Get the keys. Get the keys.
No. Chimo, you want 3 keys?
Yes.
3 keys now.
Go ahead and make your choice.
Hey! Let me look at this one first. Go for my boy. My boy!
It's okay. It's okay.
This is the car. This is this. Hey! How can I Bridget in one land?
Village.
Next year. I love to go. Hey!
Come on. Where is Ife?
Ifechi! Yeah. Come out. Come. Wait. Come like this. Come. Come like this. Why you? I'll give him. Your dad.
Ife, how are you?
Fine. Mommy. Who have this motor?
Oburo motor. You can say cars. Yeah, cars. These cars are for us. Your father just bought them.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now.
Go and enjoy yourself.
Now,
Okay?
make a go pocket. That is car. Yeah, this is car. This is not motor. There's a difference. Now go and feed your eyes. Hey! Go and look at your father's car.
Go
Away for. I don't do you. I am in the where. So, Gakita. Mammy, Buga. Stay here.
Yes, go on. Enjoy yourself. There is money now. Let me see that idiot that will challenge me in this community. And go say how could you okay, man.
Driver. The better move on. Honey, in an amania and Mama. I want to collect you. Let's go, Master. Let's go. Let's go. Buy it. Let's do that. Has to keep buy a motor. Hey, I'm a papa. Chimo. Hey. Diego. Hey. I will flog my enemies to shame. I will. Swire. Kangawa. We will flog our enemies to shame. Hey! Swire. Hey, honey.
Bridget, what is happening here?
What do you mean what is happening here? What are you seeing parked here? These are cars, not wheelbarrow now. Anyway, let me break the news to you. You see these cars parked here? They belong to my husband and I.
I don't understand you.
What do you mean you don't understand Spanish? My husband just came back with these cars. In fact, he came back with 3 cars, but he just left with 1. The cars you're seeing parked here belongs to my husband and I. Simple. Hey! Do you remember the time I told you that when the right time comes, you and other women in this community, in fact, everybody will know that Bridge 180 has landed. Have you forgotten?
Bridge, am I dreaming?
No, you are not dreaming, no. Wake up, you cannot be Joseph the dreamer. This is reality. Reality, one name. Meanwhile, I want you to go round the village. Call all the women. Both the ones that supported me and the ones that did not support me. Tell them I want us to meet tomorrow. I want them to know that it is happening. Everything has changed. Bridge has finally landed. Hey! Rich people don't shout.
I will do that immediately.
Good.
Anyways, when do you want me to tell them that you want to see them?
This wine is for you. Smell it. You know, rich people take their time before they make decisions. Tell them I want to see them tomorrow. Tomorrow is fine.
Okay.
Meanwhile, this is for you. I want you to use it to run around. Pay keke. Go around this village. Make the announcement. When you are making it, be shouting. Let them know that Bridget has landed and that I want to see all of them tomorrow. We're in them.
What?
I'll say what?
Bridget? 200,000 naira just for keke?
200,000 chicken change. What I feed my gatemen with. You're bringing down my style. This is chicken change now. Don't worry. More is coming. Okay? You will get more. Just do as I have told you. Drink up.
Bridget, you surprise me.
What do you mean I surprise you? I just told you my husband came back with lots of money. Can't make me surprise. Drink up, drink your wine. Enjoy yourself. Drink it.
Let me take it. After all, this money can buy me this up to 100.
You
right?
don't need to buy more. I will get you a troller load of it. You see this wine? It's only for the rich. If you drink this wine, you live more than 80 years. If you are dreaming, you can be seeing what will happen in the future. Can't you see the name? Chamdo Cham. It's for rich people. One bottle, 1.5 million. Drink so that you can live long. Now, hi, I have landed. You need to go around and tell everybody.
Hello. Oh no. Oh no, how are you? Yeah, good. Please, I want you to assemble all the elders. Yes. And even my opponent. I mean Chief Mbamalo. Yeah, call him too. I want to talk to everybody. I want to see everybody. Just assemble everybody. Don't forget, Chief Mbamalo must be there. Good. Thank you.
My fellow women of this kingdom, we have been here for more than 20 minutes waiting for Bridget to come because she asked us to gather here, to assemble here and wait for her. Since then, we have been waiting for her to come and tell us what she wants to tell us. Are we going to continue waiting?
No, she's coming. She's coming. I know she's wait for who?
My honorable chair lady, why should that stupid, poor, wretched fool be ordering you around? Yes. When did she start dictating to you how to run the affairs of this kingdom? Yes. Chair lady, how can that silly little girl assemble the noble women of this kingdom to be waiting for her? Who is she that we should be waiting for her? She is supposed to be the one waiting for us. Yes.
Calm down, everybody, please.
My honorable chair lady, there is no way I am going to allow this level of humiliation meted out on me. Yes. Who is that stupid, silly, low life, low pedigree, wretched girl? To make me sit. I am leaving.
No. Leave.
If you want to leave, calm down. Please. I'll sue you both.
It's okay. Everybody should come.
Hey!
Please.
Agnes, what's going on? I've been waiting for you here. Where are you? You told me you will be here in the next 30 minutes and I've been waiting for you in the house. Listen, you know what? Just stay by the junction. Close to Ndokwa Market. I'll pick you up from there. There's no need for you to come here again since it's on our way. I'm so Adiro. I'll be with you in a bit. Huh?
Money doesn't come late at all. 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 You know that's her pedigree. Imanuguya, her pedigree. Jai Bridget, Imanuguya, Obode Balagana, Bridget, bye bye for poverty. No more insult. Atalanta, bye bye for poverty. Obiam bye bye. we are insulted, they face and get money, oh. They don't get money, money pass money, oh. Of Kwakolo Fono, Fajiri we batego. They put a gego, you got they were insulted, they face and get money, yeah. They don't get money, money pass money, oh. They were insulted, they face and get money, yeah. They don't get money.
Ikuka nwaanyị si akwụ. Nnetowe ma mfa do. Nwaanyị mara mma. Towe ma mfa biko. Afụ dị mkpa kwogwogwu ya. It is sharp. Ya kotuba. Ya kotuba.
Women of Ezira Kingdom.
Oh.
I greet you. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Women of Ezira Kingdom, I said I greet you all.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I know you all are surprised to see me, but listen, you don't have to be, okay? It is the Lord's due. Bridget has arrived.
Yes, so.
But I have arrived in a very, very big way.
Yes, so.
Anyway, my cheerleader, I want to apologize for coming to this meeting here. I had some very important things to do with the governors and some commissioners.
Wow.
But as they say, money doesn't come late to any occasion.
Yes.
But before I speak, I want this cricket, the street urchin, with her cheap shoes, her cheap clothes, and her cheap wig, to sit down while I speak.
Down.
What? Okay, shut that gutter, you call him. Shut up! Shut up! Who the hell are you to speak when I talk? I said, sit down. Oh. She's suddenly gone deaf. Oh, you don't want to sit? Boy! Come and sit this fool. Don't worry. Hell. I thought you were deaf. I thought you couldn't hear me. Rubbish. Anyways, I would rather she stand up while I speak because she doesn't even deserve a seat. My friend, stand up. Oh, stand up! Up! Sit there and watch me while I speak. I sit here, lady. I said stand up! Calm down. Stand up! Good. My fellow women, like I said, I have arrived. And I have arrived with enough goodies. Wow. So much money to spend. My fellow women, go. Yes, sir. I have brought money back. All I want you to do for me is just support my husband. Support him to become the new Igwe of Ezira Kingdom. And you will see the way things will change in your life. New dimension. New things to happen in your life. But before then, Biko, I just want to ask, how much has this thing actually given to you people? In total, I mean everything she has spent. I'm sure it's got late, so you don't even have to go to the bookstore.
My daughter. 4,800,000 naira.
It's again
4,800,000 naira.
So. 4,800,000 chicken change. Something I actually spend to feed my dogs every day. Anyway, boy,
yes,
get me that bag in the car.
Money is talking.
Both of them.
Money is talking.
Please, can someone raise me a song? Money has landed. Can someone sing some Bridget?
Bridget Kaigeso. Money JJ Mona Lala, Bridget Kaigeso. Okay,
Sit down. It's okay. Rich people don't make noise. Money is talking. Money is talking. Rich people don't like noise. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. Chair lady, what you have in this bag is 5 million naira. All for you. Me? Alone. Just for you. Only you. And my beautiful ladies. What I have in this bag is 20 million naira.
Bridget Kaigeso. Money JJ Mona Lala, Bridget Kaigeso. Bridget Kaigeso. Money JJ Mona Lala, Bridget Kaigeso. Bridget Kaigeso. Money JJ Mona Lala, Bridget Kaigeso. Bridget Kaigeso. Money JJ Mona Lala, Bridget Kaigeso.
When?
Hey!
The women of the kingdom.
This can't happen. Okay, am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? How was Bridget and her husband able to pull this kind of stunts? Me, Ugo Bryce, that I've been controlling the women of this community with my money. She came with so much money. What kind of magic did they perform? How did they make this money? She even came with bodyguards and forcefully ordered me to sit down. No, Barricade is too much. Barricade is too much.
Mommy. Standing here lamenting won't solve anything, Mommy. It won't solve anything. You and Dad should do something. You must do something before it is too late. I can't afford to lose this position of becoming the princess of this kingdom. I can't just afford to lose this position. I can't. Do something. Do something.
Where could they have gotten all this money to spend it? Imagine that little rat, Pascal, burst into our meeting in Olowo's house and charged the entire cabinet 35 million naira. 35 million naira, and they even promised to give them more.
It's a lie.
If they vote for him.
Are you serious?
Can you imagine?